Omar Sarai. Mheshimiwa Rais, viongozi wetu wengi, magavana, wabunge wengi wako huko Mecca, ndio leo wale tuko ni wale ambao hawakwenda. Karibu mheshimiwa.
Your Excellency the President, Muslims gathered here, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I think most have been said by our colleagues. Honorable Duale and I will recall, before the elections, hii muungano wetu ulifanya ahadi nyingi sana, especially kwa jamii zile za wachache na zilizotengwa. For the first time in our history, I even keep saying this all the time because kama Kainan, I have witnessed 4 governments. I was an activist during Moi's government. I was a senator partly during Kibaki's government. As a commissioner. I was a senator during Uhuru Kenyatta's government. And I am now Secretary General during William Ruto's government. This undeniably and undoubtedly is the best government the Muslims have had. One, we have populated the ecosystem of government in all manifestations. Katika ulinzi tuko, katika siasa tuko, katika biashara tuko, katika kila ngazi za serikali na za kisiasa tuko. In fact, I think it is the empowerment of the minorities that has elicited such enormous reaction from those people who are entitled with this shareholding philosophy towards William Ruto's presidency. Lakini mimi nataka kukuashua, Your Excellency, this community stands by its word. Tarehe 7 February, when you gazetted or degazetted any discrimination against Muslims or any minorities or any corner tribes, that was the actual Independence Day for many of us since 1963. Kwa hivyo, Waislamu husema pale panapokuja ihsan, tutajibu na ihsan. Wewe usijali, katika hii maeneo yetu ya pwani, maeneo yetu ya kaskazini mashariki, I can assure you we will vote for you in our numbers to the very end. Maybe a small announcement I wanted to make, and I was consulting with my brother Hassan Olenado, which is through your personal intervention. Last year, tulimleta Secretary General of the Muslim World League, Dr. Isa Hapa, State House. And through the Secretary General, Chairman of SUPKEM and the President, he made a passionate request to Dr. Isa of a Kenyan who was facing penalty by beheading, death for murder, to try and see whether an intervention can be made. I think the ambassador of Saudi Arabia to Kenya, Ambassador Khalid, and our ambassador in Saudi Arabia have confirmed that request has since been honored. The $1 million has been paid, and the Kenyan will return home safe. But also to warn Kenyans, wherever you are, to respect the laws of the territories that you live in, be it in Vietnam, be it in Malaysia, be it in South Africa, be it in Saudi Arabia. The government can intervene, but the government has its limitation. Ukiamua uende kwa territory ya mtu, heshimu sheria ya mtu, so that Kenyans are law-abiding and peace-loving people. Ya mwisho, wajua mimi naitwa msemaji wa UDA. So ile mtu, kuna wakati moja jamaa mmoja wa Mlima alisema kuna vikaratasi vinapelekwa. So mimi mara nyingi sana ndio upatia watu karatasi, Isa utazungumza hivi, Dani atazungumza vile. So others will speak more and more about the UDA party. But my request to you,